Scores of students of Kashmir University today held a protest demonstration in university campus demanding release of MERC student Tahir Hussain Mir, who has been detained under PSA. The protesting students raised pro-freedom slogans. The students were demanding the intervention of Vice Chancellor in ensuring the release of Tahir.
पहले यहाँ पे क्या हो गया कि एक बंदे को हैंडकफ लाया गया यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर। वो एक्चुअली फिर बाद में मालूम हुआ कि वो एक यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट था, जर्नलिज्म का स्टूडेंट था। तो उसको 2016 अपराइजिंग के दौरान उसको गिरफ्तार किया गया।
Pertinently, Tahir is a resident of Bandipora and was arrested in September 2016 for disrupting law and order and stone pelting as claimed by the police. He was slapped with the Public Safety Act. Tahir, a son of a police constable, is lodged in Central Jail in Srinagar.